Using first aid kits on site. We'll be covering first aid kits in construction sites today, a vital part of safety. Their availability ensures we can provide immediate medical help when accidents occur.
First aid kits are crucial. They offer immediate medical aid during emergencies, reducing injury severity and even saving lives. They're our first response before professional medical care arrives, establishing a safer work environment.
Our first aid kits must include a variety of supplies. Bandages, dressings, adhesive tape, antiseptic solutions, scissors, gloves, a CPR mask, and emergency numbers should all be present. The kit must be tailored to the construction job and its potential hazards.
First aid kits must be accessible and clearly labeled, with their locations known to everyone. Regular checks are necessary to ensure the kit is well stocked, updated, and in good condition.
Specific individuals should be assigned to perform these checks and restock accordingly. Promptly report any missing or expired items to the right personnel for replacement.
All employees should know where the first aid kits are and how to use them. Workers should be encouraged to attend first aid training courses for better knowledge and skill in initial medical care.
Promote a safety culture by highlighting the importance of first aid and the need to report injuries and accidents promptly. Together, we can ensure our workspace is safe and secure.